Today I'm going to show you how not to completely suck at notating rhythms in tablature. I have this tab here that I've been working on for a long time for I Am All Me by the band Crush 40. And in this course are some rhythm notation, not mistakes, but things that are a little hard to read at first glance. Your goal at tablature and rhythm notation should always be to make sure that whatever you're notating is as clearly visible as possible, as fast as possible, to your instrumentalist. For this, for example, what the fuck does this mean? I can't read this on first glance, so you know what? I'm going to notate it like this. I'm going to take away the dot. I'm going to insert an eighth note before that. Okay, now I know what this means. It starts an eighth note after beat 1, and it takes up the entirety of beat 2. That's much easier to read. Let's go over here, for example, as well. I can see that this is supposed to be on the and. See, I just made a mistake because I couldn't read this. This is on beat 1, and that means this power chord starts on the and of beat 2. It's unnecessarily hard to read this way. You always want to clearly indicate where a beat starts. So I'm going to take away, that's a half notation. Gotta take away, that's a quarter. Gotta add an eighth note of where it begins. Make a let ring. And then put it back to its proper length. Again, actually. I can put a dotted note here because this is going to be very clearly on the final and. Some people may still be confused by this, and if that's the case, you can further clarify it by doing this. Now it's super mega clear what this rhythm is supposed to be, and nobody could possibly fuck this up. Another example of bad notation, bar 67. A good rule of thumb is that if you're ever going to obscure the downbeat, you should never obscure the downbeat of beat number 3 in specific. That should always be clearly visible. So we're going to notate this bar differently. Beat 3 is now plainly visible and easy to read. This is another example of bad notation. It is a very similar case to the case we fixed earlier. So we're going to set that as a quarter note. We're going to insert a note here. And we're going to insert a note here. This has been fixed. You can apply this to all of your rhythm tablatures, any guitar tablatures, bass tablatures, or whatever rhythm notation you may be doing. Remember, it should always be clearly visible as fast as possible to whoever your target instrumentalist is, every single time.